Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A two-story modular home design refers to a residential structure built using prefabricated sections, known as modules, which are constructed in a controlled factory environment and then transported to a permanent building site. Unlike traditional on-site construction, these homes are engineered to be stacked vertically, creating a multi-level living space that maximizes square footage without increasing the building's footprint. This design approach combines the precision of industrial manufacturing with the aesthetic flexibility of modern architecture, allowing for a wide range of layouts, from contemporary minimalist cubes to classic farmhouse styles, all while maintaining high standards of structural integrity and energy efficiency. Opting for a two-story modular design offers significant advantages, primarily revolving around speed, cost predictability, and sustainability. Because the modules are built indoors, there are no weather delays, often cutting the construction timeline by nearly half compared to traditional builds. This efficiency translates to lower labor costs and less interest paid on construction loans. Additionally, modular homes are inherently more sustainable. Factory settings allow for precise material measurements that drastically reduce waste, and the modules are often built with superior insulation and airtight seals, leading to lower long-term energy bills. For homeowners with smaller lots, the two-story configuration is a strategic choice, providing ample living space and separating private bedrooms from social areas while leaving more room for landscaping or outdoor recreation. Decorating the exterior of a two-story modular home to look high-end involves a thoughtful mix of textures and architectural accents. To break up the verticality and add visual interest, consider a mixed material approach by combining natural wood siding with sleek metal panels or stone veneers on the lower level. Strategic lighting is also essential. Using uplighting for the facade and recessed lights along the eaves can create a dramatic, welcoming glow at night. Large floor-to-ceiling windows not only enhance the modern aesthetic, but also bridge the gap between indoor and outdoor living. Adding architectural features like cantilevered balconies, covered porches with substantial pillars, or a bold, contrasting color palette for the window frames can transform a simple modular structure into a bespoke-looking masterpiece. The versatility of modular construction means you aren't limited to a single look. One of the most popular styles currently is the modern minimalist, characterized by flat roofs, geometric shapes, and a monochromatic color scheme. For those who prefer a timeless feel, the modern farmhouse style is easily achievable through modular units featuring gabled roofs, white board and batten siding, and large wraparound porches. Another rising trend is the industrial hybrid, which utilizes exposed steel beams, large glass spans, and corrugated textures to create an urban, edgy vibe. Whether you lean toward the warmth of Scandinavian hygge, with lots of natural wood, or the sleek lines of mid-century modern, modular design can be customized with various roof lines and cladding to suit any neighborhood aesthetic. Now, let's look at the top 10 best two-story modular home design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible design's ideas. One, the geometric timber marble. This design showcases the pinnacle of modern modular architecture by using offset stacking. The upper module features warm wood horizontal cladding and a cantilevered section that creates a natural porch area below. Its flat roof serves as a spacious glass-railed balcony, offering a perfect elevated retreat that blends industrial black frames with natural organic textures. 2. Classic suburban elegance. For those who love traditional aesthetics, This design proves modular can be timeless. Featuring a symmetrical facade with a prominent central gable and a welcoming front porch supported by stone-based pillars, this home fits perfectly into any established neighborhood. The tan siding and crisp white trim offer a clean, high-contrast look that maximizes curb appeal. 3. The modern forest retreat. This striking design utilizes dark vertical siding to blend into wooded surroundings. Built on a sturdy stone-cladded foundation that accounts for sloped terrain, it features a massive elevated deck supported by sleek black pillars. The combination of the deep green-gray hue and the natural stone creates a sophisticated, moody exterior that feels both cozy and expansive. 4. Contemporary stone and glass. A masterclass in luxury modular design, this home features beautiful horizontal stone masonry on the ground floor topped with smooth light gray modules. The deep overhanging eaves with wood-finished undersides provide a high-end architectural detail, while the integrated glass garage doors and large windows ensure the home feels bright and connected to the streetscape. 5. The urban farmhouse hybrid. This design brings a fresh twist to the farmhouse look by incorporating a massive dark gray chimney structure that intersects the white horizontal siding. The long, covered wooden deck provides a functional outdoor transition, while the black-framed windows add a contemporary edge to the classic gabled roofline, making it perfect for modern families. 6. High-contrast white minimalist. Simplicity is the focus here, with bright white vertical siding and a dark shingled roof. This design highlights the modular ability to create clean lines and sharp peaks. The integrated porch offers a sheltered entryway, while the large windows on both floors ensure that the interior feels much larger than the footprint suggests. 7. Midnight Blue Barnhouse. This bold design uses a deep navy blue palette accented by warm wood shutters and porch pillars. The monitor-style roofline allows for extra-high ceilings and clear-story windows on the second level, flooding the home with light. It is an excellent example of how modular units can be configured to create a massive, barn-inspired silhouette with plenty of rustic charm. 8. Compact Modernist Cube. Ideal for narrow city lots, this design focuses on verticality and efficiency. The facade uses a mix of gray vertical panels and warm wood doors to create a welcoming entrance. The overhanging second story provides a built-in cover for the driveway and entrance, demonstrating how modular architecture solves spatial challenges with style. 9. Tropical Luxury Villa. This design utilizes flat roof modules and integrated recessed lighting to create a resort-like atmosphere. The wood-paneled accents between the windows provide a rhythmic visual flow, while the ground floor module opens directly onto a poolside terrace. It's a perfect layout for warm climates where indoor-outdoor flow is a priority. 10. Mid-century slant design. Embracing the retro-future look, this home features a dramatic slanted metal roof and clear-story windows. The mix of smooth concrete look panels and traditional horizontal siding creates a unique architectural dialogue. The low-profile porch and strategic landscaping make this a standout modular home that looks completely custom-built. Two-story modular homes are no longer just a fast alternative to building. They are a premier choice for anyone looking for precision, style, and sustainability. By thinking vertically, you can unlock incredible living potential on almost any plot of land. Whether you are drawn to the sleek lines of a glass villa or the cozy reliability of a modern farmhouse, the modular world offers a solution that fits your vision and your budget. If you found these designs inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning your own modular build, check out the links in the description for more resources and floor plan ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.